Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the vlog. Today we have a very special guest and a very special unboxing. We have Sean. Introduce yourself. Talagang may bow.
Sean Santa Maria. Thanks for having me here, Carlo.
Always a pleasure.
Very special unboxing.
Guys, check out this channel. I'll put the link down below. Awesome sneaker content as well as life advice type of content.
Thanks, Tito.
And Tito, the Titos of the sneaker world. But anyway, we will be doing a very special unboxing. I haven't unboxed a Reebok sneaker for the longest time now. As in, I cannot remember the last time I actually picked up a pair of kicks from Reebok, but I was passing by their shop over at Glorieta, and this particular pair really caught my attention. Number one, because of the name attached to the pair. Number two, the overall design and the build of the sneaker. And number three, when I put it on for you to try it out, it was just ridiculously comfortable. And this is the, boom, Reebok Answer 5 Allen Iverson. I don't know if I got that right, but yeah, Let's go. Before we get started, let me just give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Rose Gold and Black. Yeah, nagplug ka pa nandito ka. Rose Gold and Black is a brand based out of Australia that specializes in men's accessories ranging from bracelets, watches, necklaces, and more. So if you guys are looking to buy bracelets or men's accessories, check them out. I will put a link down below. You can get a discount of up to 35% this August, so make the most out of it. Guys, support the brands that support this channel because it allows me to keep on doing content like this for you. So let's get started. It comes in this black box, as you see over here. I did go through to size on this one, size 12. And yeah, let's just get right into it. So this is the sneaker. It comes in white and red. And I just love the overall build and design. I'll go over the features first and the materials, and then I'll ask you for your initial impressions. And maybe we can tell stories about Allen Iverson after. So that can be the flow of the video. So first, one of the first few things that really caught my attention was the different textures that you have with the upper. So you have that patent leather here, the toe box, same here along the heel, and then you have some sort of like different types of leather, tumbled leather for the middle part and the side panels of the shoe. And then I don't know if it's like synthetic leather or a stiffer kind of leather.
It looks synthetic.
But some sort of leather here in the middle, which connects brilliantly to the midsole over here, which gives support to the middle of the shoe. So I just love the overall build. There's also this really cool looking strap at the back.
That's the I3 logo. Iverson 3, he wears jersey number 3. He carried that when he joined the Philadelphia 76ers.
Okay, so yeah, build design-wise, one of the nicest shoes that I've seen so far. First impressions.
First impressions. So it's a retro sneaker. Obviously, it came out in 2001. Very much alive and aware and conscious of what's going on.
At that time, I was watching NBA live.
I'm not that old.
On TV.
but I'm old. We're both old to remember when these came
out.
Wala
pang YouTube nun.
Wala pa. NBA. Kinito Henson pa. Hindi naman. So, okay, first impressions. I'm glad that Reebok is bringing heritage sneakers back, old sneakers back, okay? This just breathes life and it energizes the brand, and thank you for this Iverson drop. What I love about the Answer 5 is the lace shroud. This red thing over here, it looks like a strap, but it isn't a strap. Does it aid in containment? Very minimally. It's more aesthetic than functional, but I love how the very top of the lace shroud is connected to the top eyelet. You could insert your lace through here, and as you tighten,
the entire thing.
The more containment you get. And isn't this just ridiculous?
Yeah.
This rear ankle strap.
I don't know if it has any function at all.
It seems like it's gonna work for ankle containment, you know, but
there's if you try to pull it, parang it won't pull anything.
It just appears like it's tightening, yes, but I don't know if it has an effect.
So a few more things about the sneaker that I really like. Number one, if you wear something like this, again, you'll be different, right?
Oh yeah, totally.
So it's not your typical Jordan, it's not your typical Adidas pair of sneakers. And I think that's one of the biggest appeals of brands such as Reebok. They have really good sneakers, guys. From basketball sneakers to training sneakers to running sneakers. You don't really have to confine yourself to the Adidas and Nikes of this world.
Absolutely.
Because you always have an alternative. And the story behind the sneakers are just as good, if not better, compared to a lot of the sneakers that you see today. So for example, let's talk about Allen Iverson.
Favorite Iverson moment? They have one.
Oo naman, when he stepped over Tyronn Lue ba yun? Tama ba yun? Oh, yeah, yeah. He's the coach. What is he a coach of now? He's a coach, right?
No one right. No team right now.
But he used to coach, right?
Cleveland
Oh.
gave them a title.
Then he was fired?
Yes.
Why was he fired?
When LeBron left, they weren't winning anymore.
Then he got fired.
He got fired.
Wawa naman. Tinapakan na nga, binitawan pa.
Parang hugot
Oh, hindi, anyway, back to that moment. Sobrang angas kasi. Oh, I mean, parang it really burned into my head of him stepping over. That was the memory I saw when I saw the shoe. Not necessarily the shoe that he was wearing, but the fact that it is an Allen Iverson shoe. When I held it and I thought about him, that was the moment that I really thought of.
Yep.
That exaggerated step over.
Yep.
Kasi hindi lang siya, it's not just he was stepping over like casually.
It was symbolic.
Oo parang boom! Parang ganun yung apak niya, angas eh.
I hit the shot. You're on the floor. You're in my way. Okay, I'll step over you, man.
Goodbye. Diba? And I think from what I've read and what I've heard in the past, it's like a really blatant act of disrespect. At least in the NBA, if you step over somebody, right?
You can't do that in the NBA these days.
Yeah,
The uber sensitive NBA ref calling is it won't allow for that gesture these days.
Yeah. So that one for me was the best. I don't know if it's best, but it's the most memorable.
To you, it's the best.
Iverson moment that I have.
Totally.
You?
Yeah. The Jordan crossover.
Yeah.
Hit him with the left, bring it back to the right. Hit him with the left, bring it back to the right, jumper. And you know what? Just to give credit to Jordan, Iverson said, he was asked about, well, so you did the move on Jordan. How did that feel? He said it felt great. But you know the worst thing about that move? Iverson said, I hit him with my best move, but he almost blocked it. Get on YouTube, watch replays of that. Just look for Iverson/Jordan. You're gonna see how Iverson let the ball up. High point of release. Jordan almost got it. But then again, in the world of sports, it has to be, it happened, it can't be what would have been. Iverson still hit that shot. Awesome. And Iverson was very new to the NBA and did that to Jordan.
To those who don't know, he actually has a lifetime contract with Reebok.
Yep, he's doing sneakers with Reebok. He's bringing back some of the shoes.
And it's actually super good for him because after his time in the NBA, he wasn't really good with money. I don't know if you guys know the story. He had divorces left and right. He was spending on things that, I don't know, he really didn't need at that time. He didn't have good financial IQ. By the way, a video on money will be coming out on your channel, right?
Yep,
so check that out, guys. The only thing saving him right now is his $800,000 paycheck from Reebok every year because it was a lifetime deal. And then I think when he reaches a certain age, I think 2030, when you hit 2030, he has a trust fund from Reebok where he gets like 32 million US.
It's bittersweet, right? You'd like to say, okay, I'm happy for him, and but then again, this is the only thing going for him.
Yeah, it's the only thing going for him. Pero on that end, if I were Reebok, I'd milk the hell out of it, right? Kasi when was the last Iverson shoe that came out?
I can't even
remember. Diba ako, this is like a retro.
Yep.
So I think if I were in their situation, I'd take the Iverson silhouettes, collaborate with more artists, come out with more sneakers, and milk for it for what it's worth. Because I mean, probably $800,000 is not a lot to Reebok, but alam mo yun, sayang yung IP. And they should be coming up with more sneakers like this one. Yes. So anyway, that's our unboxing of the Iverson Reebok, what do you call this? Answer 5? 5, yeah. Answer 5. So unisex, nakalagay pa na. So pwede siya pang babae. Now, as for the price, it's not one of the most affordable sneakers that you can get today, but because it sells for 10,500 pesos. It's definitely way up there.
But looking on the bright side, it stays true to the late 90s, early 2000s make and build up. Heavy leather, tumbled leather, super
at least
quality.
The quality is there. The quality is there.
DMX sole.
So if you are a fan of Reebok, if you are a fan of Allen Iverson, can't get any better than this. So guys, that's actually it for our unboxing and feature of the Answer 5. If you enjoyed, Sean, thanks again for being with us.
Lovely to be here. Thanks for inviting me. Love the place. Congratulations, Mr. Celebrity.
Wow, celebrity. Oh. Thank you. Guys, check out this channel. I'll put the link down below. Really awesome content. If you like the stuff that I put out, chances are you'll also love the content that Sean puts out. And lastly, shout out to DJ Big Boy Cheng. Thank you for the t-shirt, Secret Fresh. Amazing art gallery over at Ortigas. If you guys haven't been there yet, make sure to drop by. Have a nice Secret Fresh burger at Carnivore. Amazing burger. I think Spot.ph called it one of the best burgers in Manila.
I've had that before.
Diba? Amazing. Yep. Super juicy. Super, magiging food vlogger na ako. But anyway, that's it for now. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.